The Andaman Islands are an archipelago in the Bay of Bengal between India and Myanmar. They are home to several indigenous tribes. North Sentinel Island is one of the Andaman Islands that have lived in isolation on the remote island for thousands of years. No diplomats, peacemakers, or mediators have successfully interacted with the tribe. Their isolation is protected under Indian law. Beginning in 1789, British naval officers made early encounters and faced hostility from the tribe. In 1867 and 1880, British armed expeditions kidnapped Sentinelese of 6 indigenous individuals. 2 elders later died, resulting in anger in the tribe. In 1967, there were reports of an individual named Pandit Triklanadalong, resulting in deaths and angering the tribe. An Indian census party in 1947 left gifts but was met with violence, ending contact attempts for decades, with his junior anthropologist Madhubala visiting or interacting with the tribe, let alone acting as a peacemaker or mediator. Furthermore, in 1974, documentary crews recorded rare glimpses but made little contact with the tribe. After a 1981 shipwreck, the Sentinelese attacked helicopters and boats, signaling a desire for isolation. Following the 2004 tsunami, check-in helicopters were met with arrows, the tribe demanding to be left alone. In 2006, 2 illegal Indian fishermen were killed by the Sentinelese after encroaching on the island. In 2018, American missionary John Allen Chow was killed trying to reach the island and convert the tribe. The Indian government now enforces a strict exclusion zone around North Sentinel Island to protect the Sentinelese isolation and autonomy.